Create and customise a special greeting card for a loved one with the amazing Recorder Card. New and improved, this bestseller now has a longer recording time, higher quality playback, and replaceable batteries. It's fun and creative. You can draw, paint or stick on the front cover. Or add a family photograph to make a personalised card for any occasion. Then record your 40-second voice message, which can include music or sound effects that plays back as the card is opened. Re-record your message as many times as you wish. Recorder Card now comes with a battery compartment and switch on the back of the card to keep your precious recording forever, even if the batteries are depleted or replaced. Make someone smile with this truly amazing gift. Wish Grandma a happy birthday. Send a get well soon message. Say thank you. Tell a joke, or just tell someone you love them. It's a card for any occasion. Make your friends and family feel extra special with Recorder Card. It's the next best thing to being there.